In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a minimum order quantity in Wix. This is an essential feature if you want to ensure that your sales meet a certain threshold, helping you manage resources and potentially increase profitability. So, let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Make sure you have your login information handy and navigate to the Wix website. Once you've logged in, you should find yourself in the Wix dashboard, which acts as your central hub for managing your website. From here, look for the Design Site option and give it a click. This will take you to the area where you can manage all the design and structural elements of your site. Next, you'll want to navigate to the settings. In the dashboard, there's a distinct section labeled Settings. Clicking on this will open a menu with various options. From there, head over to the Store Products and Inventory section. This area is crucial because it holds all the configurations related to sales and inventory management in your online store. Now, this is where we get to the heart of the matter, enabling the minimum order quantity. Within the Store Products and Inventory settings, you'll find an option labeled Set a Minimum Subtotal Toggle. Go ahead and click this toggle to enable it. By doing so, you're turning on the feature that will allow you to set a minimum order requirement for your customers. This step is vital if you want to implement this functionality in your online store. After toggling this feature on, you will be prompted to enter the minimum amount that an order must reach to complete checkout. Think about what makes sense for your business model. It's essential to set a realistic and beneficial minimum that will both meet your business goals and remain appealing to your customers. By setting this amount, you're ensuring that every order meets a specific threshold before it can be processed, helping you maintain consistent